Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Hological, and in this video I am going to show you how to add bleed in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add bleed in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application. Then after opening the Canva application, you just simply have to select an existing design that you have or create a new design. Then after opening your design, you will get to see so many options into this page. But you just simply have to tap into these three dots and do nothing else. After tapping into that three dots, you will get to see the option of settings. Just simply tap into settings and go to this page. Now you will directly get to see this show print bleed option. Simply tap into show print bleed. Then after that, your bleed feature gets successfully added. This way you can easily add print bleed in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.